Hello everyone. Linear algebra and partial differential equation MCQ. First question. Fourier series are particularly suitable for expansion of periodic function. Option B is the correct answer. Periodic function. Next question. Find the period of sin nx where n is positive integer. Option D 2 pi by n is the correct answer. Fourier series of discontinuous function is not at all points. Option D uniformly convergent. State whether y equal to tan x can be expanded in Fourier series. Option B no. Find the Fourier constant Bn for x sin x is minus pi comma pi. Bn equal to 0 is the correct answer. Find the value a0 for the function f of x equal to x square 0 comma 2 pi. Option C a0 equal to 4 by n square is the correct answer. Find the value of Bn for f of x equal to sin x in minus pi comma pi. Option C Bn equal to 0 is the correct answer. The function f of x equal to 1 by x minus 2 in 0 comma 3 expanded in Fourier series not satisfy Dirichlet condition. Option A is the correct answer. Fourier series is convergence. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following even function for t? Option A t square is the correct answer. Find the value of a0 for the function f of x equal to x in minus pi comma pi. Option C is the correct answer. a0 equal to 0. If f of x equal to x square plus x is expressed in Fourier series in interval minus 2 comma 2 to which the value is the series convergence at x equal to 2. Option C 4 is the correct answer. Fourier series of period 20 for the function f of x equal to x cos x in interval minus 10 comma 10 contains only sine terms. If f of x equal to 2x in the interval 0 comma 4, then find the value of a2 in Fourier series expansion. Option A 0 is the correct answer. Find the constant term for f of x equal to cos square x in minus pi comma pi. Option D a0 equal to 1 is the correct answer. Find the value of Fourier constant when odd function f of x is expanded in Fourier interval. Option B a0 equal to 0, an equal to 0. If f of x equal to x square in the interval minus pi comma pi. Option B even function. If the function f of x equal to x plus x square in the interval minus pi comma pi. Option C neither odd nor even function. Pick the even function cos x. Find the value of Fourier series f of x equal to x square in minus pi comma pi. Option A Bn equal to 0. Option A Bn equal to 0. Expanded. Next question. Expand f of x equal to 1 in a sine series in 0 comma pi. Option C Bn equal to 4 by n pi if n is odd. Option C is the correct answer. Check whether the function f of x equal to x square cos nx. Option D even function is the correct answer. Find the range for a sine series f of x equal to x 0 comma 1. Option A is the correct answer. Bn equal to minus 2 into minus 1 power n by n pi. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Find the half range cosine series of the function f of x equal to x pi minus x. Value of option A a0 equal to pi square by 3 is the correct answer. Find the half range sine series f of x equal to x minus x square in 0 comma 1. Bn equal to 8 pi n cube pi cube if n is odd. What is constant a square in wave equation? Tension mass per unit length. The end and B of rod length 10 cm have their temperature 20 degrees Celsius 70 degree. Find the steady temperature on the rod. U of x equal to 5x plus 20. How many boundary condition and initial condition are required to solve one-dimensional wave equation? Option C 2 boundary and 2 initial condition. What is the physical meaning for boundary condition? Y of 0 comma t, y of L comma t equal to 0. Option no displacement. Option A is the correct answer. No displacement at endpoints. State the law which assumed in one-dimensional heat equation. Option C heat flow from higher to lower. In one-dimensional heat equation, solution is classified as parabolic. Option A is the correct answer. Parabolic. Which one is one-dimensional wave equation? Option A is the correct answer. Classify the nature of PDE. uxx minus uyy equal to 2y cube uy. Option B, hyperbolic is the correct answer. Classify the PDE 3uxx plus 2uxy plus 5uyy plus xuy equal to 0. Option C, elliptic is the correct answer. In one-dimensional wave equation, solution is classified as option B, hyperbolic. Which one is two-dimensional heat equation? Option D, uxx plus uyy equal to 0 is the correct answer. In one-dimensional heat equation, can we find steady-state distributor of rod? Option A is the correct answer. Write the possible solution of one-dimensional wave equation. Option D is the correct answer. Y of x comma t, a cos px plus b sin px, c cos plus d sin at is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Which possible solution of two-dimensional heat equation? Option B, u x comma y, a cos px plus b sin px. Option B is the correct answer. In one-dimensional wave equation, find the displacement of any point of sting. Option A is the correct answer. Steady state condition for heat flow equation. Option C, independent of time t. Which one is formula for finding the steady state heat flow in rod? Option D is the correct answer. U of x equal to b minus a by l x plus a is the correct answer. For one-dimensional wave equation is option A, periodic with respect to time. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Write the possible solution of one-dimensional heat equation. Option B, u of x comma t equal to a cos px plus b sin px, c e power a to p to t is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Classify the nature of PDE uxx plus uyy equal to ux plus uy. Option C, elliptic is the correct answer. Elliptic is the correct answer. Which one is one-dimensional heat equation? Option B. Write the value a square for one-dimensional heat equation. Option A is the correct answer. K by Cp is positive. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. Choose a three-dimensional Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. Option D is the correct answer. uxx plus uyy plus uzz equal to 0 is the correct answer. Option D. Which law is used for one-dimensional heat equation? Fourier law of conduction. Option A is the correct answer. Which one is Poisson equation? Option D, uxx plus uyy equal to f of x comma y is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Which law is used for one-dimensional heat equation? Option A, Fourier law of heat conduction. Choose the three-dimensional Laplace equation in Cartesian coordinates. uxx plus uyy plus uzz equal to 0.